I will tell you my story. One day I never posted videos before. I have a friend we always play Bubby Jackery because I play with him. But we move out. I feel sad if my old friend is gone. The new friends come make me not to know why, but I will remember him now. But I keep posting videos now. Remember, videos not quitting. I hate other Roblox is one of my favorite games. And YouTube, I always actually like other people, but who cares? Let me. I just wanted likes. No one cares. I'm ending effort. And tapos yung range na napakalawak sa taas ng drop. Sa taas pa kay Dragon Ball. Dragon Ball Java 16 kapag pang almighty, di ba?